excited about the program which is going to be today? Isn't it amazing that IMPA could get a chance to bring Kumar Sharma? That too twice in the city? Just imagine. I couldn't even think of that because I missed his program in July. I think he did it. And then I was so sad because I was in New York and a lot of people were traveling that day, right? So when this opportunity came, Junai said, she's right here sitting, and she called me, do you want to do a program of Kumar Sharma? Of course, yes, I want to do that, definitely, because I missed it. Okay, it was very hard to organize because in this festival time, you know that everybody is so busy and in the festive mood, right? So last year we launched, because this was just formed on 2023, and it's a non-profit organization, 501c3. So we launched our first show last year with Prithvi Gandhar. He's a phenomenal ghazal singer. And some of you probably missed it because maybe we could not advertise much. But now, this is our second show from IMPA. And I feel so blessed that Kumar Sharma is going to do the second show. First one for music, and this one is for Kathak fusion. And that too from a person who has changed the Kathak world. You see one person, Maharajji, Viju Maharajji, who took Kathak, which was dying art, to a different level because he went to Bollywood. Everyone knows that, right? And Bollywood started people understanding what Kathak is, but mostly Bollywood used it for some kind of courtroom dances, courtesans, they were dancing. So anyway, but now Kumarji, who's such a young talent, and he's taking this torch ahead. And I'm so proud that a youngster who's trying to connect with the youngsters and making Kathak connect with them. And they love it, his dance, and the way he does the fusion Kathak. So, I don't want to say too much because our host, Jasmeeta Singh, will be saying a lot about Kumar. But one thing which I want to talk about is our organization, Indian Music and Performing Arts. We have board members. I think you saw a couple of pictures here while you were settling down. And we are going to introduce them too after the first half. And we are lucky some of them could come here. So that is one. And I'm the president, and we have board of directors. And we are trying very hard to bring good programs for you all. So please support, and thank you very much once again for being here and supporting us. Okay? So let's see what we have from our host. It is my pleasure to introduce the remarkable Jasmeeta Singh. Jasmeeta proudly wears many hats, serving as a dedicated real estate agent with Realm Real Estate Professionals Galleria, and as the founder of CEO of Jazz Creation and International Modeling, Dance and Entertainment Production Company. A proud graduate of the University of Texas, she previously held prestigious awards, and she did a lot for India Culture Center, and her creativity and the community service is remarkable. Jasmeeta is committed to helping clients and their dream homes across the vibrant neighborhoods of Houston, providing personalized guidance with fluent communication in Hindi, Punjabi and Urdu beyond his real estate expertise, and trained Kathak artist, choreographer and coach. Having produced enchanting shows and promoted cultural awareness, she supported the production of entertainment shows and raised funds for numerous meaningful causes, including the American Heart Association, the American Breast Cancer Society, and Women's Empowerment initiatives with a mission to inspire, uplift, and create a lasting impact, whether through real estate, art, or community leadership. Jasmeeta Singh is truly a force to be reckoned with. Please help me welcome our incredible, multi-talented Jasmeeta Singh. Isn't that amazing? Wow, Jasmeeta, that was absolutely beautiful. I have seen you perform Kathak, and this particular song, Kahi Chhed Mohe, at the Miller Theatre, and a few other places too. You really love this song, don't you?
Yes, of course, and I really do. I actually started learning Kathak when I was in fourth grade. And since then, it's always been held a very special place in my heart. Yes.
So, where did this love for Kathak begin?
Oh, my love for Kathak began years ago when I first watched Madhuri Dixit song Devdas. Believe it or not, I was completely mesmerized with her elegance, her expressions, and her grace. And I loved that dance so much that I performed it so many times, started from Miller Theatre and just now, because this is really, really close to my heart.
And what is that another song which you really love? Is it Racha?
So, but years later, you believe it or not, years later, something very special happened. And that was song Tera Chehra. That was by Adnan Sani. And the way the artist blended Kathak movements into a modern song, it was breathtaking. Literally, I just remember watching it so many times, probably hundreds and thousands times, that song. And I wanted to just even choreograph it and dance it on that beautiful piece. And I was thinking how Kathak can be so expressive, so modern, and so fresh. And that artist who inspired me all over again is none other than tonight's superstar, Kumar Sharma.
Hi, our star of the evening actually started off as a singer. Do you believe that?
Yes, I do.
He began vocal training when he was just 3 years old before shifting to Kathak. And guess what? At age 11, he watched Devdas and was
absolutely right. Did you know after his guru passed away, Kumar Sharma briefly stepped away from dancing? Can you believe that? But later he found his guru's handwriting notes and that reignited his passion. He said, it felt as if Guruji has come back and guiding him back. Isn't that beautiful, Keka? What do you think?
So beautiful. He trained under the late Guru Sita Ramji of Jaipur Gharana of Kathak.
And he didn't stop there. He did not stop there. He earned gold medals in classical dance from both Punjab and Mumbai University. And he has done some masters in vocal also. And believe it or not, he has done his Nritya Visharad from Prachin Kala Kendra.
Chandigarh?
Yes, Chandigarh.
Just like you, Jess, you also learned from the same Prachin Kala Kendra.
What a coincidence, right? Believe it or not, yes, I was truly mesmerized when I heard that, oh my God, he has done his Nritya Visharad also from Prachin Kala Kendra. Maybe that's why his dance feels so close to my heart when I saw Kumar Sharma blend classical Kathak with the Bollywood, even Western music. It's like watching dream comes true. It is so mesmerizing to see the perfect blend of tradition and creativity.
So I don't know how many of you know that I'm also a Kathak dancer. I have done my Prabhakar degree from Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Allahabad.
Absolutely.
But absolutely, he is the founder of Kathak Rockers, bringing a modern spirit of traditional Kathak and inspiring the younger generation
Yes.
to fall in love with this art form.
And his legacy is truly inspiring, connecting the old with the new and making Indian classical dance shine across the world.
That is so true.
Yes.
Siddharth. And speaking of his incredible journey, let's tell everyone a bit more about this remarkable artist.
Absolutely. Kumar Sharma is an internationally acclaimed Kathak dancer and choreographer known for blending classical dance with contemporary flair.
He founded Kathak Rockers, a dance company that reimagines tradition with modern touch and explores new creative world within Indian classical dance.
He has performed with Bollywood star. Can you tell me which Bollywood star he performed at Z San Awards? Alia Bhatt. Yes, I heard that. Alia Bhatt. And even trained Ranveer Singh. Which movie was that? Yes, Rocky और रानी मैं एंड बोलने लगी थी रॉकी और रानी की प्रेम कहानी.
Actually, the other day that we took him for lunch and he shared that he was training what's his name?
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh. Whoever is in the So he was training him for 21 days non-stop.
Wow.
And he did amazing Kathak in that.
Yes.
In fact, the director wanted him to record Kumar Sharma. They said, we will do something, he's not getting it. But he worked so hard, I believe so he shot. He did the full dance drama. So anyway, we have said a lot about him and people are getting impatient, Jasmita.
But we have to tell about who he is, because he's going to be rocking the stage and have the stage set on fire.
Yeah. And he's a pioneer in Kathak fusion, Kumar Sharma, and he has his team called Kathak Rockers.
Yes.
Maybe one day he'll be able to bring his whole team if you all support. So, everyone get ready to experience the magic of rhythm, grace, and creativity.
Yes. So,
Okay, let's welcome.
are we ready?
Only
Mr. Kumar Sharma.
I'm going out there.
वाचिकं सर्वा आहार्यं तारात्मकं सात्विकं शिवं शिवं सात्विकं शिवं शिवं सात्विकं शिवं शिव 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 शिव
सभी को मेरी ओर से नमस्कार। I think this is incredible. In 3 months, I'm coming second time to Houston, and I think it's first time of the history. I'm doing that in the same city, and so many of you came. Means a lot to me. I think that's Krishnaji's, Radharani's blessings. And I saw Kekaji doing so much hard work behind that. I want to thank, first of all, Jai Singh ji, she's here. JSC Events, Kekaji, for bringing me here, Satyajit sir. Thank you so much for bringing me to Houston once again. And with that, first, I always take blessings from my Guruji, Pandit Shri Sitaram ji. He's watching me from there. And my Tal Vidya Guruji, Pandit Divyang Vakil ji. Only because of their blessings, I am here. मेरे पेरेंट्स की ब्लेसिंग्स हैं, आप सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स लेके आई वांट टू स्टार्ट। इजाजत है? So I'm taking you to the world of Kathak. Kathak. So we say Katha kahe so Kathak kehla. That means we are storytellers. But with time, this dance form evolved so much. It started from Lord Krishna ji. जब उन्होंने कालिया के ऊपर नृत्य किया था, कुछ बोल उद्धृत हुए थे। हमारी एंशिएंट टेक्स्ट कहते हैं,
और वही बोल ता धुन त्राम तिगधा became Natwari dance, and that Natwari dance became Kathak later on. And so many bowls from tabla, pakhavaj added, and it went to temples for telling stories. Then Mughals came, it went to courts, and then, of course, Britishers came. वो दौर थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं था कथक के लिए, बट कथक जो है वो धारा की तरह बहता रहा. And now it's here. See, it's in the beautiful auditoriums. We are presenting this ancient art form, and I'm trying. Actually, all Kathak dancers are trying. I can see in Houston also there are so many teachers teaching. I think Shivaji must be here, and there are so many. So I want to mention that they are really doing a great job, and we are also. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं छोटी छोटी कथक को आगे बढ़ाने की. And so तीन ताल, you have to imagine a clock not of 12 but 16 counts. Okay? Last time I presented Pancham Savari. There it was all 15, but now it's 16 counts. So let's all count which 16 counts I'm talking about. Can we have the track? Our aim is to reach at our homes. That's our ultimate peace. हम कुछ भी करें, कहीं भी जाएं, but ultimate peace is at home. We leave our home in the morning, go to office, then work, then coffee, then friends, but ultimately we reach home. That's the ultimate peace. And हमारे कथक में भी सम तक पहुंचना है. Sum is number 1. So every time we have to reach on 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. This time circle goes on and on. जो भी होगा इसी में होगा. This is like a लगाम to that horse. हम घोड़े की तरह नाचते जाते हैं, लेकिन हमें लगाम देता है ये सब, ये ताल. So this time circle, I try to do little footworks every time I reach on 1. Let's all keep counting so that you all know where is 1. So, a beautiful heart from Jaipur Khurana, पंडित दुर्गालाल जी के शब्दों में, it's like आप किस घाट से खड़े हैं, किस घाट में बैठे हैं, that's घाट. It's time to take a posture. I try. That was hard. Now, I'm taking you to a different experience. Parinamat, Paran, Tanda, Lord Shiva, Amad, Mashak, Yasik, amalgamation of Tanda and Yasik, where Shiva and Shakti meets. You can see, ये किस तरह से जो लहरें हैं वो अपने तट से आके मिलती हैं. That amalgamation. कैसे पुरुष और स्त्री का जो संयोग है एक नई जिंदगी को जन्म देता है. The same way, Parinamat, I'm reciting it for you first. बहुत ट्रेडिशनल बोल है लेकिन I have tried to do some changes and combination of 4/4 tones that I have tried. Now, that's Parinamat. So I try this. It's a difficult competition, but आपकी blessing से कोशिश करना चाहूँगा. Bananas. Ha ha ha. आप सबको मजा आ रहा है? Thank you so much. And especially इतने इंटरेस्ट से आप शुद्ध कथक को देख रहे हैं. That's surprising for me. Thank you for loving the art form. Thank you so much. Now, Zarak, it's a beautiful town. So there is a place between the places, you know. So एक ताली और खाली के बीच की जगह को इतनी खूबसूरती से भरा जाता है. I need your claps in this. पकड़ के रखना हाथ को. Can you clap? पकड़ के रखा आपने ताल को, लेकिन थोड़े टाइम के बाद हो गया ये ताली. I'm sorry. But thank you for the help. Now, in the beginning of Madhya, medium speed, in the beginning of that, हम याद करते हैं भगवान शिव को. एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत शिव परम, बहुत प्राचीन है बनारस घराने की. हमने सुनी सीखी है मैंने दिवानी सीखे जिसे. Let me take a long breath. क्योंकि बहुत लंबी और मुश्किल है। तेरे कितना था मैं यूके गया था अभी, तो वहां पे मुझे पता चला कि दे डोंट क्लैप इन बिटवीन, क्योंकि आर्टिस्ट माइंड कर सकते हैं, but I don't mind at all. If you want to clap, you can clap in between. I will not mind it. In fact, that will give me energy. दिवाली निकली है अभी, एक पटाखा टुकड़ा होना चाहिए, right? I have named it पटाखा टुकड़ा. You will understand why. So in dance, छोटा है, सा है, लेकिन जान निकाल देता है. पटाखा टुकड़ा. After this, a beautiful तोड़ा. I think जब हम तोड़े का नाम लेते हैं, it's like a brand, right? कथक डांसर्स, तो पहली चीज आप क्या बोलोगे? एक तोड़ा करके दिखाओ. All कथक dancers here, right? So एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत तोड़ा, ट्रेडिशनल बोलों के साथ है. इसकी खूबसूरती है, इसमें एक शब्द है परमेलू का, जो कि यूजुअली नहीं होता. एक थोड़ा कोशिश हमारे कथक में एक कॉम्पिटिशन होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं पलन। एक बहुत ही एंशिएंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट है पखावज। यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट वेयर। उसकी खूबसूरती है उसको ताजा गूंगे आटे से बजाया जाता है, उसका बेस तैयार होता है। सो उसी के बोलों को हम पलन कहते हैं। उसके बोलों से बनी कॉम्पिटिशन। So one parent. Nadi da, nadi 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 da, nadi nadi da, nadi nadi da, nadi Neta, neta, taran nadi, taran nadi, a beautiful parent, powerful goals. Powerful composition, powerful dance, जो कि मेरे में नहीं रही, but I will try my best. अगर आप साथ दें तो एक बार आपसे मैं साथ मांग रहा था, उसका मतलब है कि आप ताली में गए। Thank you. एक और भलन कैसी लगी ये वाली आपको? सो वन मोर भलन जो कि मेरी कंपोज हुई सबसे पहली भलन थी, बहुत साल पहले मैंने की थी और कथक ऑफिस को भी पहली कॉम्पिटिशन थी वही सिखाई थी। I'm trying. So that's what we ओके पहले पढ़ देते हैं। मेरे की धुम के बोलने बहुत वैसे So इसमें खूबसूरती है कि आप दिगी 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 गिनिए, तो दिगी दिगी आप गिनिए कितने हैं, बट इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस। ना दिगी 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 दो दिगी दिगी दिगी, अगर आप अपनी मेहनत अच्छी करना चाहते हैं, अच्छा है। In the end of Nritya Paksh, a beautiful Bihari. अगर आप आंखें बंद करेंगे तो आपको फील होगा जैसे एक ट्रेन चल रही, बट यहाँ की ट्रेन नहीं, इंडियन ट्रेन। वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। आप मुल्क के लिए आवाज तो आती नहीं है कि ट्रेनों इंडिया में आती है। And with that, this section will end, and after this, I have beautiful Abhinay Paksh for you all. अति हाई पानी तो जरूरी है ना। धीरे धीरे करके बोल दो। Presenting footwork, जिसका याद करना है रेफरेंस ट्रेन को, और सारी की सारी फुटवर्क पे होगी। और पहली बार मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि देखना मत, आप सुनना। Back in 2 minutes. Let's have a big round for this amazing sound and light. We are really doing an amazing job. Thank you, thank you. And thank you, Christy. Okay. After that, I'm taking you to Abhinay Paksh. धीर ललित नायक भगवान श्री कृष्ण और हमारी राधा रानी की छेड़छाड़। So, हमारी राधा रानी रोज की तरह निकलती हैं घर से और देखती हैं कि आज दरवाजे पे कृष्ण जी नहीं है बंद करने के लिए। Oh, so everyone is understanding हिंदी? Okay, मैं तो पूरा लगा हुआ हिंदी में। Okay, वैसे मेरी इंग्लिश थोड़ी टाइट भी है, but I'll try कि आप तक पहुंचा सकूं। I'll make you understand anyhow. So राधा रानी sees today Lord Krishna is not there, और she's thinking कि क्यों नहीं आया आज, but still she has to come back home because आज कुछ जरूरी काम है घर पे। So she's like, okay, मैं गगरी में पानी भरूंगी, I'll come back quickly। और अपनी गगरी उठाती हैं and then she leaves for यमुना तट। So she reaches river's bank और वहाँ पे हाथ मुंह धोती हैं and गगरी में पानी भरती हैं and वापस आने लगती हैं। बट हमारे कृष्ण जी तो कृष्ण जी हैं। He's hiding behind कदम tree. और बस सोचते हैं कि आज तोड़ ही देते हैं गागर को. सो उनकी मटकी फोड़ देते हैं और पूरी की पूरी राधा रानी जो है वो गीली हो जाती है. एंड शी इज लाइक, अच्छा इस पूरी कहानी तो सुनाऊंगा. नाउ यू सी, रोको ना डगर मेरो शाम. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल टून बी sung by my elder brother जाजिम शर्मा जी. और इसी के साथ मुझे याद आता है, मैं हमेशा भूल जाता हूँ. मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ मैं बिगिनिंग में बताऊंगा, बट ऑलवेज आई फॉरगेट. So you liked this Shivanta earlier? So that was sung by me. Thank you so much. And this one is really special क्योंकि हमें कोलकाता से हुसैनजीत भाई हैं हमारे, उन्होंने सिखाई थी. And जाजिम भाई sang it for me. और ये मुझे ये स्पेशल क्यों है क्योंकि मैंने मेरी मास्टर्स में जो गोल्ड मेडल जीता था इसी के ऊपर जीता था. I don't remember that choreography now, but ठीक है, I'll try कि आप तक ये अभिनय पहुंचा सकूं. आशीर्वाद दीजिए.
Ah
So, it's time to end शुद्ध कथक। बट बहुत ही खूबसूरत चीज बनी जो आवाज है एंटी ने बनाई है अनेकों तालों में, गिनतियां, काउंटिंग्स। एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड्स मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? अरे सब ऐसे गिनते हैं, सबको पता है। और आप तो भाई यूएसए वाले हो, नोट गिनते हो आप लोग तो। सो गिनतियां 5 पंच महादेव है, 5 उंगलियां हैं, 5 तत्वों से हमारा शरीर बनता है। 5 की इंपॉर्टेंस सबको मालूम है। 5 5 5 5 की गिनती। No is complete अपने आप में। 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 1 और 8 9, 9 3 27, 2 और 7 9। You can keep doing it. Everything will add up to 9. And 108 मिलके क्यों है माला में? 1 और 8 मिलके बनाते हैं 9। दिन Ego pinche pachi sadaka, 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 ego pinche pachi sadaka। आगे try, सांस की जीवन में। I think एक गिनती अभी आपको भी सिखा दे। You want to learn one country? Okay, let's do that. सबसे interesting part होता है। Okay. 1 1 2 1 2 3. Let's say 1 2 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 1 2 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 8 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 याद हो गया सिंपल सी है Let's say one more time with me 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 याद हुआ सबको याद हुआ Okay let's say 5 6 7 8 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 याद हो गया सबको इजी राइट अच्छा अभी जो कथक नहीं जानते वो पूछेंगे ठीक है 5 तक तो ठीक है व्हाई दिस था आई ऑलवेज से कि था जो है वो फ्री में मिल रहा है राइट ओके एक लास्ट बार पढ़ते हैं क्योंकि उसके बाद मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा आप पढ़ोगे मेरे लिए आपने अगर बीच में छोड़ दी तो मेरा भी डांस छूट जाए ओके चलिए एक लास्ट बार रिवाइज करते हैं 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 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 बस इसके बाद ये 3 ही बार है इसके बाद दोबारा एक नहीं आएगा ओके सबको याद हो गई ओके अभी जोर से बोलेंगे ना सारे मुझे सुननी चाहिए यहाँ तक रेडी so I'll give you cue 1 5 6 7 मैं बोलूंगा ठीक है Can we have little audience light outside मजा करें वाओ Oh my God, thank you. अभी मैं पहली बार देखा आपको आप लोगों ने जोरदार तालियां Thank you so much. Okay, let's say. You guys are amazing. And इसके बाद while जुगलबंदी should be there, आप और मैं, करें? So my gurus, your claps. Okay, let's practice once. Tin na. So practice. How? नहीं आपको ऐसे ही चीटिंग नहीं आपको व्हाट आई एम प्लेइंग विद घुंघरूस आपको सेम साउंड रिपीट करनी है वेरी नाइस अभी समझ गए ओके करें आर यू रेडी लेट्स हैव सम फन Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed the first half, which was pure Kathak. Kathak in traditional way. Now, it's time for the fusion. Yes. And for that, I'm famous, people know me, and I'm sure आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है. To start this segment, I have a beautiful act. So Kika ji said कि हम एक workshop भी करेंगे. I said yes, हम करते हैं. And the count, oh my God. Thank you for so much love. Kika ji, 110 people came. 110 people registered. उनको hall change करना पड़ा. Because there was no hall with a mirror जो इतने लोगों को एक साथ host कर सके. So, and then I taught something, 1.5 hours Kathak workshop and 1.5 hours fusion workshop. So in those 1.5 hours, I taught a beautiful, interesting Kathak fusion. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ. Act आप उसी वक्त सुनेंगे गाना. A Punjabi song. Kathak on a Punjabi song, okay? And उतने से टाइम में सीखा सबने. And उनमें से कुछ लोग जो हिम्मत करके आए कि ठीक है हम आपके साथ करना चाहते हैं. I invited everyone, लेकिन सब धोखा दे गए. Only 6 of them came. उनमें से 5 हैं. But, you know, I'm so happy because workshop we are there to learn, not to perform. I just requested everyone कि जिसको चाहिए they can come and perform with me. But I'm really happy and thankful to these 5 or 6 people who all came. It's a very small act और उन्होंने सिर्फ 1.5 hours में सीखा है. So कोई भी गलती हो तो उनकी जगह पे मैं माफी मांगता हूँ. And I hope आप उनको प्यार देंगे और उसके बाद I have a beautiful show for you. So first we'll start with this small act, Kathak fusion.
बारिशों के मौसम की भीगी हरियाली तू, सर्दियों में गानों पे जो आती है वो लाली तू, रातों का सुकून, रातों का सुकून भी है, सुकून भी है, कोई करे जो
काली काली जुल्फों के फंदे लगा काली काली जुल्फों फंदे में डाल हमें जिंदा रहने दो ऐ हुस्न वालो काली काली जुल्फों फंदे में डाल हमें जिंदा रहने दो ऐ हुस्न वालो काली काली जुल्फों फंदे में डाल हमें जिंदा रहने दो ऐ हुस्न वालो नक्शियों हम सताए हुए हैं बहुत जख्म सीने पे खाए हुए हैं सितम को तो खूब पहचानते तुम्हारी अदाओं को हम जानते दराबाद हो तुम सितम ढाने वाले फरेब मोहब्बत में उलझाने वाले ये रंगीन कहानी तुम्हीं को मुबारक तुम्हारी जान तुम्हीं को मुबारक तुम्हारी तरफ से निगाहें हटा लो हमें जिंदा रहने दो ऐ हुस्न वालो काली काली जुल्फों फंदे में डाल हमें जिंदा रहने दो ऐ हुस्न वालो काली काली जुल्फों फंदे में डाल हमें जिंदा रहने दो ऐ हुस्न वालो काली Let's have a tremendous Anyone know this song? नैना मिलई के नैनों में आई के नैनों में आई के दर्दी से मिलई के आपके सब छीन के से नैना मिलई के सारी चरागी तेरे गले हमेशा सारी चरागी तेरे गले हमेशा सारी चरागी तेरे गले हमेशा बनियों में बाले आया गला झूले हो बनियों में बाले बनियों में बाले आया गला झूले सिंगड़ी का रखियो बला झूलेला सिंगड़ी ला से बना सकिया बात करे कमर मस्त करे कविता अंदर अली बंदे अली बात करे ओ दमाद मस्त करे अली का अंदर अली बंदे अली बात करे ओ दमाद मस्त करे दमाद मस्त करे दमाद मस्त करे दमाद मस्त करे da 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 Thank you so much. Oh my God, this love means a lot to me. Thank you so